So people nasty and disgusting. Jamaica, worldwide, big up on yourself. Welcome to the family. Subscribe, like. Right now, people, a disgrace what QUEENIE are going with. Now, this is supposed to be a response to Foota hype. But if you're a person who have grandkids, Virgin, channel star, what take place in the world, people? As a people careless right now. As a clothing interesting and necessary right now, that's for cloud, people lose themselves. That's a perfect example of an adult with a child mind frame. As Mr. G. British should have said with no apology. That don't make no sense. Now, at this point, we can't say nobody at here without. Jamaicans find a way to tear down them own self. Very great at that. It's like, as far as we may see, some people are working in the Guinness book at the nasty section. Can't tell people how to live them life. But you have to remember, say, you have some innocent kids out here who are listening to these contents, Virgin, and they don't sound good. You understand? And if you know, say them come from a cultural background where you gotta have people like this, we should have lay a carpet at righteousness. And a be a filter come out of these people's mouth. What kind of people this and what kind of society, where it lead to? Pure careless people and careless talk. People go up on the internet and ever since them have this live thing now where you can get funds to go live and make a fool of yourself. Because basically that's what you get paid for, to make a clone of yourself. People, reality check. Is it really worth it to go up on live? If you get a couple of coins and make a complete ass of yourself. Ask yourself. Because it's like enough people just can't wait to put themselves in the Guinness book, the Hall of Fame. An idiot. It's a strange thing. You understand? And that's why I have to big up and congratulate Muta Baruka for the reasoning them what the eye put out, you know, and try to keep the thing on a level. Enough people still hate Muta because them don't want to hear nothing good. Nothing with pure or them thing or them inner. Now when you see a big woman like that, I go forward and I say, if she no must lick out body. All people them feel, that's why you nothing near my people yard, you know. How you feel now, if you know say you did a guy QUEENIE yard, go yam from QUEENIE. Only if you see QUEENIE forward out on the internet, I say she a lick out body wall. You can't say she mash up Dewey career, because the whole thing was a weird argument. So, me don't know what go on this. The Virgin never have a musical career like that yet. Foona even say she mash up him career. The Virgin like, why am I tell the Rasta? Rough. I don't know Jamaican stay. Nobody not gonna take him serious after this. But then again, on the flip side, him probably go platinum. Cause the level where you had people them dep on right now, it's like say boy, I be a porn star in the industry, so wouldn't surprise them embrace him still, is it? Cause I be a hypocrite. Sometimes I don't know who to believe. But one thing I can tell you still on Soul Jamaica, we are burning fire over your son. Righteousness increase, Virgin. Them a decrease that and I promote some things where we are forward from a taboo section, right? Where even when people not do certain things and indulge in a certain things, them would have never dare brave enough to even speak that around them party, much less to go up on a worldwide platform. Because some people probably feel like say it's just a regional thing. No, a worldwide thing. Once you put it on the internet at the world they touch. You see? So you have to know that. Now you tell me now. How Foota hype you feel when you respond like that as a big woman? Just like what Foota hype when I say your kids them need to take your phone and you need a shrink. You need cha-cha. When you think Queenie need a stiff jacket. Alright, rough. If you see what in Jamaica and what they act like that still, cause you know say people, if you rate Jamaica go, we can't really style nobody out of ball. We don't see that. Cause them have too much things see for dash back in our face. We have to slow down on the rate where Jamaica move on right now. Jamaica become too foreign mind. No culture not dead no more. Everybody mind are foreign. And the funniest part, the people them with a foreign mind are Jamaica. The most twisted, weirdest situation this. And people, we see where them try to join the artist on stage. Who am I speaking about? SKENG. The Ratty Dan boss. Big up yourself, SKENG. It was an amazing show. From the artist walk out. One at a time, I think upon the beach, the artist there and a wave just forward and splash up everybody. I tell you, say, the artist have to ball out and say, I'm not in a scuba gear and them a throw water in them nose and them a go dead. People, we never see a performance like that. So Jamaica was surprised. Them almost mash up my camera. So the artist get mad and them say it's like the artist get a toast. They make a toast to the artist, you know, with buckets and buckets and buckets and drums of water. Yeah, so the artist get dark and I say, yo, no drown the mic, water in her nose. Artist I say, I drown them one, drown the eye. We never see this yet. Never see an artist go up on stage and it's like a tsunami. Cha. The best part of the whole situation is when the eye start turning the crowd and I say, yo, if a man ramp with the eye, a whole barrel of water I see forward. So Jamaica, around here some mad. I don't think we're ready for that one yet. You know, normal. Queenie go off. And me I tell her, say.
Little grandson. The one that people them know, my dear, time will tell. You see, what I know when they behind closed door will tear me down. I got that time. Them so long when shot. Could you see me? Me come out here, I speak my truth on my earth. I speak all how me feel. And I think I can't use that a mad blood clot me. Mark yourself for the people that boy pretty the way I play around. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't take foot of rascal, foot of mouth. High and nose light. He's a devious little bumbo wall man. And you come here and you preach every day. Everybody subject your cup on. Everybody here debate for yourself. Debate for the little boy. Bad enough when big blood clot, tough man draw with the little boy pretty, girl pretty them. But you playing, oh, you're not suck pussy, he's a body eater. Little boys, Foota hype. You eat little boys' butter.
We didn't need to go beat. I'm going to want to rape. I'm sure move like a crackhead. You see me? Well, I like to be people are done people. People can talk what they want to. She's not done. Queenie need to go get her life. She's a
So Jamaica, what do you think about that? Queenie go too far? Or Foota need for just fling some more fire over there? What do you think? I don't like the disgusting stuff. Anyway, big up on yourself. And I don't know. I think I go on right now. Well, I have to address this, Virgin. Like, you mean to tell me, say, an artist do a show, and an artist are going to get judged based off of how the audience act, Virgin, and everywhere. Them tell you already in a Virgin, every day can't be the same. You see me? And Valiant do a show, and them a beat Valiant. End of the day, I know say the artist still get paid, so the artist still win. Artists keep their thing. So Jamaica this. Subscribe. Shot out of so many people. We have one channel. Subscribe to it. Yeah, man.